So the field, you can, like I was saying in the previous video, you can actually apply all of these formats using this format cells button or this dialog box. Now here, now I want to give it a field. I've unselected, go to my format, I select a particular field. Now that is for cell field. If I want to add protection, I can add it here. I don't want to hide anything, I leave it unlocked. Go to borders. I want to add borders on the cells. This is the left, this is the right, this is the top, this is the bottom, and this is the middle horizontal, then middle center. Although we have only one cell, if there was another cell, there will be another one in the middle, in the center rather. So that is for cell. Now I can change the fonts. I've changed fonts too, but let me give it a different face. Let's use the common one, which is, I wanted to use Times New Roman. So that is, maybe we'll see, keep to it. Times New Roman. Let's use the common one that is used. Then 14 as our sign. Now we'll change it to bold now because that one has bold. This one, the area black came with its own bold, so we don't need, you will not see the bold there anymore. Alignment, you want it to be just already a single change anything, or we can see change it here, top, center, bottom, but we don't want to change any alignment. We leave it the way it is. Wrap text, as if it extends or it's longer than the cell, it should wrap. We don't want to merge it because we have 3 different texts. With that, now we are not using, we are using a custom number, so we don't need to change anything, but we can still add accounting to it. Okay, so this is how it will now appear. So this one now has borders. If you print it out, this one will come out with border lines, but this part or this will not come out with it. That is that for cells. So next time we'll be talking about editing. But with that, let's quickly talk about the first button there, auto sum. This is for formulas. We have formulas here. We have more. You can enter any formula of your choice using the button. By default, it's auto sum. If you click on it, it will automatically calculate if it is the numbers that you were to calculate. Now, most of the times we get stuck here. If we want to find formulas, you just see few and that is all, then we get stuck. There is one option here called category or select. Now here you can choose, mostly it's on most recently used, so that you always access which one you have used. You can choose to type a search and search for it, or you go to more, you go to all, that select category, go to all. So here you can even scroll to any one that you want to. I find that many people find it challenging. That is why I'm emphasizing on this. So thank you as you wait for the next lesson. Bye.